This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by readying both devices so the transfer is fast and reliable. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Make sure both phones are on the same network to avoid cellular limits. Install Google Photos on the Android and add it to the iPhone, or pick a cross-platform app that supports shared albums. Sign into the same Google account on each device, because once done it lets you sync instead of manually moving files. That's faster and preserves quality. You now upload from Android. Open Google Photos and enable backup and sync so images go to the cloud automatically. Monitor the upload progress, and if you only need certain images, select those albums to speed things up. This avoids reuploading everything. Once uploaded, create a shared album or use the Share Link option. This makes transferring many photos simple. Then, make sure the link or shared album is accessible on the iPhone. Next, we'll bring them down to local storage. On the iPhone, open the shared album or link in Google Photos and tap Select, then save to store the images in your Photos app. This keeps organization and full res if available. If you need originals, confirm Google Photos is set to allow downloading originals rather than compressed copies. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot by checking iPhone storage and network strength, then reauthorize the Google account or restart apps. This resolves most syncing stalls and ensures the transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.